Blessed. Boo. Church time. Let's go church.
Mommy, mommy has lipstick.
Dadaan muna tayo ng shops.
Shop?
Daan muna tayo ng shops para bibili ng snacks para sa mga bata sa Sunday school mamaya. So yan ang nagiging tradisyon dito. Hindi naman kaya lang, mga sa atin lang din. Ganyan din naman ang ginagawa ko doon sa Pinas. And then, kaya kami napaaga kasi ikaw pa ang mag-ayos doon sa room kung saan kayo magsa-Sunday school. Kung mag-prepare mo na, kung may food kang dala, ihanda mo na din. So, ayan. Maaga tayo. So, see you later, mga ka-blessed. Hello, ka-blessed. Tapos na ang ating church. Nasugakod naman natin ang ating kaibig. I hope they understand me. Then the screen is a big help.
Mama, I can slide.
Punta naman tayo sa Woolies ngayon. Go shop. Para sa need ni Moana bukas. Ayan ka, blessed Joanna at the market. Oh, up. No. It's the ice cream cup.
Green cup.
Yeah.
Ice cream cup. Ice cream cup.
No.
Ice cream cup. Ice cream cup. Ice cream cup. Ice cream.
So, yan na pinamili natin.
Ice cup. Ice cream.
Bahay na pala kami ka blessed at katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Bread. Of course. Si Moana din. Nalikit sa ngipin ko yung cheese. sarap ng kay daddy kay salami. Hot spicy salami. And with bread. This your bread, Gani? The name of your bread? Yun. Basta may kakaiba.
Oh, sourdough.
Sourdough. Sourdough. Oh, yun ang pangalan ng tinapay niya. So, medyo maasim konti. We're back ka blessed. Nag-driving kami. Para lang makatulog si Moana. Ayaw kasi matulog sa bahay. Yan, finally nakatulog na siya after 20 minutes drive. Ayan na. She need to sleep kasi nga she looks so tired since maaga kami nagising kanina. So ayan. So we're going beach. Salmon. Off-road. Wanna go off-road? We're not ready for off-road. We don't have any tools. Just in case we get stuck. Yeah. Basta tignan natin kung saan tayo makarating ngayon. Be back later. We are here na at boat ramp pala. Ayan, nasa boat ramp kami. Dapat doon kami sa Salmon Beach. We decided here na lang to go here. Look at the view. 1, 2, 3. mga namimingwit dyan, no? Medyo mahangin lang tayo ngayon. Ayun na yung ating dagat. We are now at Salmon Bay.
Daddy, what's that?
Mga ka-blessed.
Daddy, what's that?
It's sunset view.
Daddy, what's that?
Sunset
It's for
view.
Daddy. Hello. I'm back from Baka. Ah. Mm. Mama, don't see with Moana. Hello. Ah. Hi.
Say hi mo na.
Hi.
No, thankfully you see.
Daddy is cold. And the other spot is Moana. And the other's like this. And the other's going here.
Oh, did the ant bite you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Pumunta kasi sa lumabas. Padating doon.
A big chunk
Nakaapak
out of
si
your
Susan
leg.
ng bunch of ants. Ayan. Talon-talon
A
eh.
big
Mommy,
chunk
the
out of
other
your
wants
leg.
to go home.
Ooh, where? To your home?
Yes. It's there.
You don't need more ants. We have lots of ants at home.
The ant is in the fridge. And one is push the ant.
Oh, because they're trying to steal your food in the fridge.
Yes. Ah, yeah.
When the sun comes again.
Di ba makulit lang yung bata natin.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mommy, what's that?
No, I just want to make a bit backward so Moana can have more space. Mm-mm-mm.
Daddy, look, it's red.
Yeah, did he become red from the sun?
Daddy, yeah. Yeah, it's still red now.
Mm-hmm. You sit here, oh.
Yes.
Yeah, you can sit
Daddy.
there.
Daddy, I want to sit.
See? Oh, Moana is red too.
The Moana become red.
Huh? Mommy's all blue. I don't see.
Oh,
Daddy came on red.
mhm.
Ooh. Dito kasi yung sunset view. So, kita mo yung mapula na araw.
Daddy, we're going home?
After the sunset. When the sun goes in the ocean,
Yes.
if you be quiet, then you can hear.
Going to the what? Daddy.
What?
And the giant silk and the bell.
Wow!
Daddy,
Yeah, it's broken last night.
It's just floating.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
broken.
one went broken.
Yay! That's from
Happy
Daddy.
birthday to you.
Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Open it.
Hippity peep.
Hooray!
Hippity peep. Hooray!
Books. It's so incredible.
Yay!
Oh, books.
Yay.
Daddy, what's that?
You like it?
I'm going to ride.
You can draw.
Yes, like little
Painting.
elephant, Dumbo.
Ellie,
Look. And the mouse.
what will you say?
Thank you. Daddy, that's a record.
Yeah, that's the real corn.
Daddy.
Yay, full of real corn.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Who's that?
It's a flying green.
Yeah. And did you find Moana in the book? Can you find Moana in this book? And Maui? Hmm?
Daddy.
Wow, they look so happy. Waiting for Moana.
Daddy, I can't ride the Maui.
No.